Friends, welcome back. Growing coriander greens in the comfort of our home is the best option to get a fresh and organic supply of these aromatic leaves that are used in our daily cooking. We can grow these coriander greens in containers or pots by sowing the seeds every week to get a constant harvest throughout the year. 1 teaspoonful of coriander seeds are sufficient to grow one bunch of coriander greens. Spread the seeds and cover them with a piece of cloth. Each coriander seed is actually a dry fruit containing 2 seeds in it. Each seed will grow into an individual coriander plant. So we have to split the seed into two by moving the roller pin over the seeds while giving gentle pressure. This splitting process increases germination rate. Then soaking the seeds overnight or for 12 hours to fasten the germination. Fill the container with soil up to 3/4 level. Discard big stones if any. Coriander greens don't need any fertilizer or any mixture of soil. They do well in any soil. The coriander seeds that were soaked in water overnight. Add strained water and wet the soil thoroughly with water. Draw vertical and horizontal lines half-inch deep using our index finger or a stick. Place the seeds along the lines. Just spread the seeds randomly, not perfectly. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. Sprinkle water to wet the soil. Keep the soil wet by watering frequently until germination. Observe the growing phase carefully. Watering should be very careful by hand. ensure that the seedlings get good amount of sunlight for about 3 to 4 hours daily. Care and attention are needed until we harvest. Keep the container in a place where it is not exposed to strong wind, rain, or scorching sunlight. They enjoy gentle breeze, light showers of rain, and morning sunlight. We should water the baby plants by drop irrigation with our fingers both morning and evening to maintain the constant moisture, not soggy, from germination onwards. Coriander greens are ready to harvest. We are harvesting 33 days old coriander greens by uprooting them. Or we can trim the top leaves along with tender stems up to 3 inch and allow growing for next 10 to 15 days for second round harvest. If you like this video, do hit the like button, do leave the comment, do share with your friends. Thanks for watching.